Needing details on Halki Diabetes Remedy Recipes? Hello and welcome to this website in which I am going to review Halki Diabetes Remedy by Eric Whitfield. I know you have already read many reviews about this program, but trust me, this review is going to be different. This is because this review is created by a person who battles with type 2 diabetes for 16 years. That right. I had diabetes for 16 years, and when I came across this program, at first, I thought it is fake, but then I decided to try it because of money back guarantee, and I am glad I took that decision. How it changed my life. You are going to find out in this review. So, are you ready to hear what an ex-diabetes sufferer has to say about this program? Let's start. Why am I writing this Halki Diabetes Remedy review? My name is Aaron, and I suffered from diabetes for 16 years. My main objective of writing this review is to share the hidden truth that I discovered in this program that helped me in improving my medical condition. Due to some worse decisions in my life, I get under a lot of stress. At first, I start getting urine after every hour. That makes me curious to get a medical checkup. Contact our company as soon as possible for further details on Halki Diabetes Remedy Recipes.
Like you, be strong to hold the powers of the sun.